Hello, and welcome to Craft Catalog. Stop wasting time searching for tools buried under clutter while your workshop walls and corners sit empty and unused. The real problem isn't lack of space, it's lack of smart storage. With the right shelving ideas, you can turn every wall, corner, and unused gap into an organized system where every tool has its place and is always within reach. In today's video, we're exploring 40 smart workshop shelf ideas designed to solve real problems, maximize small spaces, and transform your workspace into something efficient, clean, and easy to use. A well-organized workshop begins with understanding how space is used. In many cases, tools end up scattered across workbenches, stacked in boxes, or hidden in drawers, making them difficult to find and slowing down your workflow. Shelving changes this completely by bringing tools into clear view while keeping surfaces free for actual work. Instead of working around clutter, you begin working within a system. One of the most effective solutions is heavy-duty wall-mounted shelving designed specifically for power tools. These shelves are built using strong wood or metal supports and positioned at comfortable heights, so tools can be grabbed quickly without bending or searching. By keeping frequently used tools visible and accessible, these shelves immediately improve efficiency. Another powerful idea is the use of divided cubby-style shelves. Instead of one long shelf where items get mixed together, cubby systems create separate compartments for each category of tools. Drills, sanders, batteries, and toolboxes each get their own space, making organization simple and consistent. This approach reduces clutter and makes it easy to maintain order over time. Vertical shelving is another smart solution, especially in small workshops where floor space is limited. By building upward instead of outward, you can store long tools, materials, and supplies without crowding your work area. Tall, narrow shelves are perfect for clamps, levels, and wood boards, turning unused wall height into valuable storage. If you enjoy practical ideas that make your workspace more efficient, take a moment to subscribe to Craft Catalog. We share smart solutions that help you organize, design, and improve your working environment. Adjustable shelving systems are also incredibly useful in workshops where storage needs constantly change. With movable brackets or track systems, shelf heights can be adjusted to fit different tools and containers. This flexibility means your storage adapts as your workshop grows, instead of becoming outdated. Corner shelving is one of the most overlooked opportunities in workshop design. Corners often become dead space, collecting dust instead of being used effectively. With L-shaped or triangular shelves, these areas can be transformed into highly functional storage zones. Whether used for tools, supplies, or storage bins, corner shelves help reclaim valuable space that would otherwise go unused. Another highly efficient setup is combining shelves with pegboards. A shelf can hold heavier tools and containers, while the pegboard below organizes smaller hand tools. This layered system keeps everything visible and easy to access, creating a clean and professional-looking workspace. Sliding or pull-out shelves add another level of convenience, especially in deeper storage areas. Instead of reaching into the back of a shelf, these systems allow you to bring items forward with ease. This not only saves time, but also prevents tools from being forgotten or buried. For small items like screws, nails, and fittings, shallow shelves with labeled bins are essential. These systems keep everything sorted and easy to locate, reducing frustration and improving efficiency during projects. Clear containers or labeled drawers make a huge difference when working with small components. If you've made it this far, you clearly understand the value of an organized workspace. Take a moment to like the video and share which idea would improve your workshop the most. Fold-down shelves are another smart solution for tight spaces. These shelves can be folded away when not in use, freeing up room for movement or larger projects. When needed, they quickly provide extra workspace or storage, making them both practical and flexible. Overhead shelving is perfect for storing items that are not used every day. By utilizing the space near the ceiling, you can keep rarely used tools or materials out of the way while still accessible. This helps keep your main workspace clear and focused. Rolling shelf units add mobility to your workshop. Mounted on wheels, these shelves can be moved wherever they are needed, bringing tools and materials closer to your work area. This flexibility is especially useful in dynamic workshops where layouts change frequently. Dedicated material storage shelves are also important for keeping wood, metal, or pipes organized. Proper storage prevents damage and makes materials easier to access when needed. Horizontal supports and structured layouts ensure everything stays in place. Lighting can also improve the effectiveness of shelving. Adding simple lighting under shelves makes tools easier to see and reduces shadows in your workspace. This small upgrade can significantly improve both safety and efficiency. As you continue exploring these ideas, notice how each one focuses on solving a specific problem, whether it's saving space, improving access, or reducing clutter. The right shelf design can completely change how your workshop functions. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to Craft Catalog for more practical ideas and creative solutions that help you build better, smarter spaces. Thank you for watching, and we hope these 40 smart workshop shelf ideas inspire you to organize your tools, maximize your space, and create a workspace that works for you. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.